Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of thermal engineering. The topic is refrigeration and air conditioning. Question number 24 is consider the following statement. A decrease in evaporator temperature of a vapor compression machine lead to 1. An increase in evaporating effect, 2. An increase in specific volume of vapor, 3. A decrease in volumetric efficiency of compressor, 4. An increase in compressor work. Of these statements, option A 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Option B 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C 2, 3 and 4 are correct. And D 2 and 4 are correct. Okay. So here is the same expression as the previous question. Here it is given that a decrease in evaporator temperature. So decrease in evaporator temperature means we are shifting this line downward because here temperature is constant. So if we shift this line downward, then the higher compressor work is required. Okay. So higher increase in compressor work. Okay. And if we decrease this, if we shift this line below, then the pressure ratio across the compressor is also increasing. So it means volumetric efficiency is given as 1 plus C minus C P2 by P1 is power 1 by N. So as P2 by P1 is increasing, okay, P2 by P1 is increasing, so volumetric efficiency will also decrease. Okay, so volumetric efficiency is decreasing. Okay, so this can be explained like this. So this is the formula for volumetric efficiency. As P2 by P1 is decreasing, because P1 is decreasing, so this ratio will increase and volumetric efficiency will decrease. Okay, so that is also correct. And increase in specific volume of the vapor as pressure is decreasing, so specific volume will also increase. Okay, so answer is 2, 3 and 4. Increase in the evaporating effect is not observed. Okay. So as line is shifting below for the same because compressor work is increasing, so the increase in the evaporating effect is not observed. Okay. So that will be same.